Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on Tfuel future while examining Theta fuel cost gauge for 2022 and then some, which is very critical. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to believe this and some other expectation tentatively, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant errand, not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like Theta fuel. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dive profound into the Theta fuel value forecast and answer questions in the event that Tfuel truly is a for the most part wise speculation or not, for what reason will Tfuel succeed or come up short, or for what reason will Theta fuel value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what is Tfuel and its to-date history. What is Theta fuel, Tfuel? Amazingly, Theta fuel, Tfuel, is one of the two sort of local tokens on the Theta blockchain. Tfuel ought not be confused with Theta token, Theta, which certainly is the administration badge of the Theta blockchain upheld by great many local area-run Guardian hubs and its enterprise validators including Google, Binance, Blockchain Adventures, Goonie and Samsung. Tfuel in a real sense is the second especially token on the Theta blockchain that fills in as the utility by and large token in decentralized video and information conveyance. It likewise goes about as a gas token. This implies that it is utilized to control all procedure on the Theta blockchain, similar to installment tray layers for sharing a video transfer, for sending and collaborating with shrewd agreements, and as expenses related with executing NTFs and DeFi applications in a significant manner. Moreover, it is likewise used to boost clients in the biological system who share their repetitive processing power as edge compute hubs, as well as transmission capacity assets as edge caching hubs for video transfers and different information. Who are the founders of Theta fuel? Theta fuel, and in expansion, the whole Theta ecosystem, was helped to establish by Mitch Liu and Gee Long in 2017 in an unpretentious manner. Liu for the most part has a long history in the gaming, video and computer-generated reality businesses, helping to establish video promoting firm Tapjoy, portable really friendly gaming startup GameView Studios, and Theta.tv, the live streaming stage whose DApp was quick to be based on the Theta convention in an unobtrusive manner. Gee Long is Theta's subsequent fellow benefactor and CTO, following comparative long-term insight in planned computerization, gaming, VR, and huge-scope dispersed frameworks. He wrote different companion-surveyed scholarly papers and holds different licenses in video web-based, blockchain and computer-generated reality in a significant manner. Theta presently explicitly has an unobtrusive group, and its true site records key corporate financial backers as Samsung Next, Sony Innovation Fund, Media Financial Backers BDMI Bertelsmann Digital Media Investments, KA Creative Artists Agency, and customary Silicon Valley VCs including DCM, Sierra Ventures and the VR Fund. What makes Theta fuel unique in a significant manner? Theta's in every practical sense, principal use case really is decentralizing video web-based, information conveyance and edge processing, making it more proficient, savvy and fair for industry members, or so they essentially thought. The organization runs on a genuinely local blockchain, with two local tokens, known as Theta, and Theta fuel, Tfuel, driving the inward economy. Theta's allure is triple: watchers get compensated with better quality web-based feature, content makers work on their income, and mediators, video stages, basically get a good deal on building foundation and increment publicizing membership incomes. Clients have a motivating force to both watch network content and offer organization assets, as remunerations come as Tfuel tokens. The stage for the most part is open source, and token holders basically get administration abilities likewise, with many confirmation of stake, POS-based blockchain environments. Notwithstanding video, information and registering, Theta takes special care of designers hoping to send off decentralized applications, dApps, for example, DeFi and NFTs on its completely included EVM viable brilliant agreement stage. What is Theta fuel, Tfuel? Theta fuel, Tfuel, is one of the two local tokens on the Theta blockchain. Tfuel ought not be confused with Theta, essentially token, Theta, which is the administration badge of the Theta blockchain upheld by great many local area-run Guardian hubs and its enterprise validators including Google, Binance, Blockchain Adventures, Gumi and Samsung. Theta Fuel, as the name recommends, is the fuel of the Theta blockchain and is consequently to some extent equivalent to the gas on Ethereum or Neo. Tfuel fills in for of installment for exchanges, like setting up reserving hubs or connecting and making savvy contracts in and every way that really matters, large way. Notwithstanding, it can likewise be acquired, for instance, by marking Theta or by giving reserving capacity to different clients or communicating with the Theta.tv stage. Tfuel price prediction for the especially next 90 days. The entire crypto world certainly is on an edge of an undeniable bear market, which is very huge. Bitcoin truly has drooped half from its untouched high in the midst of a more extensive market basically drops affected by seething expansion and U.S. Fed rate increments. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into commonly more steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely unsafe in a real sense play and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This basically is reflected in our 2022 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a nearby base before we can move in the for the most part inverse course and truly alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to generally do likewise. We generally have seen this situation many times in the removed and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to basically wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a common and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and essential evaluation of each undertaking. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other exclusive variables created in our crypto lab. Theta Fuel Price Prediction 2022. Our expectation model sees a transitory change to a bear market toward the start of 2022. Proceeding, we move on to one more advantage in Q3 and Q4 of 2022, which is genuinely huge. 2022 September minus 4.46%, $0.0556, as opposed to prevalent thinking. 2022 October minus 3.63%.